pillows without the pillow protectors. You can tell they don't have pillow protectors. You can see the tags. They don't match. These are pillows without pillow protectors. These are the pillows with the pillow protectors. You can tell that they have pillow protectors. There are no tags, and they match. These pillows have pillow protectors. These are the same pillows with the pillow protectors on the bed. These are pillowcases on top of the pillow with the pillow protector. You take the pillowcases, you take the pillow, you put the pillow with the pillow protector inside the pillowcase. You put your head on the pillowcase. You do not at any time put your head on the pillow protector. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you found it educational. To recap, the pillows with the pillow protectors go inside the pillowcases. If there's any part of this video you do not understand, then please submit your questions in triplicate or bring your own pillow. Thank you and enjoy your stay.